it for the Tron previews. Must be 48 inches tall. We all are going to ride it today as a family. We are so excited. We're here. We're so excited. We're all going to ride it today. Oh my goodness. Today is March 11th. It is Saturday morning and we're going on. Look at the ground as the grid. Wow. Look at the details. Looks like a giant bubble. So here's the tester seat here. We'll come back later and test it out. But it is really neat. Spaceship Earth on the back side right here. All right, welcome users. We are going in. So excited. They're gonna check our passes again. We are going in. We are so excited. They checked Nadia's height and she is able to ride. Woo woo! Going in. Team Blue!
Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned, the Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened and supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome.
Is there someone else I need that? Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. We will never see the lines these short again for this ride.
Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare.
Woo! We are Team Blue.
All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number.
Might have to use our pass to get a locker.
You will be piloting a specially modified light cycle.
No, there's a spot for your phone.
When the gate opens,
All right, we got the chest mount on. 4.
To the right.
Wow. You excited?
Do we get first row?
I don't know. We'll probably just get whatever row they tell us to go to. You excited, Nadia?
Wait, it's for team one. So I go all the way from here and oh, thank you.
All right. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really bummed right now. We rode Tron. My GoPro did not work. It would not turn on or anything. I kept pushing it over and over and over and over and over, even during the ride. So I didn't film any of it. Nothing. I don't know. So I'm really, really depressed about that. But Nadia and I are still here at Magic Kingdom. Owen and Brandon went to go do something else. And Nadia and I are going to try to make the best of it. So we're going to continue having fun here at Magic Kingdom today. And right now we're on the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, climbing around, and we might find something to eat and ride as many things as we can today. Here's inside the little room here. And I don't know what we're gonna get into. I really wish my GoPro worked, but it didn't. All right, so up here they're working on Tiana's. Look at all that. Nice. Scaffolding. All kinds of construction going on.
Come on, John, hurry! It's great to see you. Welcome to the celebration, everybody.
All right, so Nadia and I got Mickey Pretzels with cheese. We're sitting over here in the shade on the ground. We also got a Sprite. Today is Nadia and mine. Super fun day at Magic Kingdom. Gonna eat some Mickey-shaped foods, get some snacks, ride some rides. So far right now, things look pretty long. Mine train right here, is where we're sitting beside. It is 105 minutes wait. So we're gonna see if there's something else that we can ride with a shorter wait time today. But first, we're gonna eat some Mickey-shaped pretzels. We are going on Enchanted Tales with Belle. We are so excited because we have not done this experience since it has opened. So the only time we actually have done this was years ago, and it was so cute. So I can't wait to experience it again today. Going down this path is right beside right here is Seven Dwarf Mine Train. Over here is Be Our Guest, going to eat at the castle. But over here is Belle's cottage. Belle and her father's cottage. So cute. It's only a 15-minute wait right now. Look at that. So excited to go in there today. Little well. Fans. Which is not even too hot outside today. It feels wonderful.
Yeah, you're So please repeat after me. Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Remember now? We've just arrived at the castle where everyone has through the world fence. Sailing new to lead the way and show the where it stands. Through the world fence. Say hey there.
Hayden, I'm right here.
To surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Are you all ready to surprise Belle with a story?
Wonderful. And we have enough parts for everyone. First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle.
Alrighty, my friends, this is for the grown-ups in the background. Let's pick up your feet and let me see you march, march, march. It looks like someone was volunteered right over here. Right over here. All right, and this year trying to hide in the back right over here.
We'll need someone to play the master, the beast. He has a mighty roar.
All right, everyone, pause up. Let me hear your roar. Oh my goodness, what a fierce roar you have.
I'm joking. You will be marching soon enough. Now remember, Belle doesn't know you're here, so shh. I shall call her in, and when she enters, we'll all shout, "Surprise!"
What a bright idea, Lumiere. Friends, when I say now, we'll all shout, "Surprise!" Oh, Lumiere, can I help you with the lights?
But of course. Well, where are you, mademoiselle?
Lumiere. Now!
Surprise! This how wonderful. Shiny goodness here. Thank you all for being here. Lumiere, what are you planning? It's lovely to see you as well. You must have something really special happening this evening.
Well, Shelley, before your big dinner with the master tonight, we thought it would be fun to act out the story with you.
Well, I do love stories.
Very well. Let us begin. Once upon a time, there was a charming, intelligent young woman whose name was Belle. Belle lived in a quiet little village, and each morning to everyone, Belle would say, "Bonjour."
Bonjour, everyone.
Bonjour, Belle.
All right, so we got out of Dumbo. We just played on the playground. She didn't even want to ride the ride, which is fine by me. And so they have the water going today over here at this circus. It is so much fun. It's a beautiful day outside. Water! Feels great on a nice day. Ooh. Oh, and this one squirts water too. So much fun. You love that? Did you get wet? All right, we are back. We are back at Magic Kingdom, and we've had a full day here. After the fail of riding Tron, like we actually rode Tron, but my camera failed on me. And Nadia and I just decided to stay at Magic Kingdom for the day, and we left. We went to Disney Springs. We did some shopping. She's carrying the bag right now. And now we're back. We're back here at Magic Kingdom again. Hi everyone. I forgot to do a closing while we were at Magic Kingdom, but we had an excellent time there at the end of the day. A rough start. I mean, we rode Tron and it was fun. I did film the the first entry where you go in, outside, as well as the indoor part of the queue. And on the actual ride, my GoPro did not work. So I don't have a POV just yet, but as soon as it opens up to the public on April 4th, we will be going there and having a POV view of it then. But we did actually have a really good time at Magic Kingdom. We left actually and went shopping. We bought a few things, Nadia and I, and then we came back to Magic Kingdom. So we actually ended up having a pretty good day. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye!